Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is October 25th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 2.25 points to 3,002.25 per contract. You can see the futures started to top out right around 650 this morning, and now they've really just started to taper back down. Again, it's not a horrible open by any stretch, but market is a little bit lower, and we'll see how it plays out. Now, we had big earnings last night after the closing bell. Lots of earnings this morning, so let's get started here with the big one of them all, Amazon. Amazon right now trading at $1,670 a share. Stock closed yesterday at $1,780 a share, so pretty good haircut. It did trade briefly below $1,620 yesterday before bouncing back up. I think that level could be revisited, and possibly we could even see lower prices for Amazon. So stay tuned. This will be a pretty interesting trading day, but this stock is definitely getting hit today, and I do think there's more downside in the cards once the opening bell rings. I have levels ready to go for Amazon today, so again, get ready for that. We've had an excellent week in the intraday stock chat room. We're going to look to keep that going today and into the end of the year. So if you have not done so, come on over, check out the live trading room. That'll open up right around 9:15 in the morning. Next up, we have Intel on the board. INTC is the ticker symbol here. Stock right now is trading at $53.77, closed at $52.18. You can see after hours, Intel popped all the way up toward that 57 level. However, it has come back down. It's still in positive territory. I don't think there's a whole lot we would do here, but some interesting levels to watch for today would be 48.60 if it did sell off. And on the upside, I really have a hard time seeing this get above $56. So again, Intel positive right now from its close yesterday, but definitely has given back a lot of the after-hour gains from last night. Next up, I want to take a look at Budweiser. BUD is the ticker symbol here. The stock right now is trading at $83.81. It closed yesterday at $91.60, so this is a pretty good haircut. I got some nice levels ready to go for this name if we get there. So again, a little bit lower. We're almost at the level I want. So again, I'll have that posted up in the intraday stock chat room a little bit later. But Anheuser-Busch InBev, better known as Budweiser, definitely a good sell-off today, and we'll keep this one on the radar. This could be a morning gap play. Next up, I want to take a look at First Solar, FSLR. That is the ticker symbol. Stock right now is trading at $53.45, closed at $55.89. So good little haircut here. I'll have levels ready to go for this one. I do think we probably got to go down toward the $50 level. That's where the support kicks into play on this name. Next up, let's take a look at Gilead Sciences, GILD is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $64.80, closed at $66. When I look at this right now, I don't see anything all that terrific here, but I have to think this can get back down to the low 62 area. So keep that on the radar. I'll try to isolate a level for the chat room for the trading room members around that time if we get there. Next up, I want to take a look at Juniper Networks. I saw this was up earlier. JNPR is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at $25.58. It closed at $24.51. I don't know if I see a lot of upside for the name, but it's holding up this morning, so we'll give it the benefit of the doubt. Again, a lot of resistance kicks in around the 26 level, and then you have a lot more around 27. If it gets to 27, in my opinion, that's a fade candidate. Let's take a look at Verizon. Ticker symbol is VZ. Stock is trading at $61.07, closed at $60.58. No real action there. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Next up, I want to take a look at VF Corp. VFC is the ticker symbol there. Stock right now is trading at $87, closed at $90.82. So you got a good little haircut. Briefly, this thing traded as low as $79. That would definitely catch my eye. But right now, there's nothing I would do with this name. So we'll keep it on the radar. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look here at MHK, which is Mohawk. This one is, or let me say MWK. There we go. Mohawk. Nope, that's not the symbol there. Bear with me one moment. MHK. There we go. There we go. Mohawk Industries trading at $135. This closed at $129.92. So this is a nice little uptick. We'll see if this can run. I'm not so sure. It's got a lot of upside. Look what it's going into on the daily chart. Got that wide range bar right here. That's a lot of pressure. So I'm not sure there's a whole lot of upside for Mohawk at the moment, but we'll keep it on the radar. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures trading up $12.20 to $1,516 an ounce. That's a pretty good move for gold. So gold on the move today. That is making a big surge, and we'll keep that on the radar today. But that's a pretty impressive pop there for gold. Crude oil, on the other hand, down about 25 cents. I don't know if we can make too much out of that one, but crude oil a little bit lower today. Not a big deal here. We will look at that as well once the opening bell rings. So once again, if you have not done so, come on, check out the live trading room. That opens up right at 9:15 this morning, and I'm going to have gap plays posted up there for you. We've had an excellent week. We're going to look to keep that going into the end of today and also into the end of the year. Have a great trading session, everyone. We'll see you on the charts.